My research is to understand and analyse the biomechanics of alpine ski racing. This hasn't been able to be done before because traditionally cameras are used, which are no good for ski racing because you'd need 40 or 50 synchronised cameras to capture the athlete's movement. Instead, we got these motion capture sensors which we attach to the athlete's limbs. They're small, about the size of a matchbox, and we combine that with GPS insoles in the athlete's boots, and this whole system's called fusion motion capture. The sensors I use, they contain accelerometers and gyroscopes, so we're directly measuring acceleration and rotations, which are very close to the forces and torques that drive human motion. The moment the athlete's finished his run, he's able to get feedback on it. I was fortunate enough to get 2 volunteers from the New Zealand alpine ski team. This is the first time in the world that it's been possible to capture the motion of a complete ski run, and there's been a lot of interest from people all around the world. I can see many uses for it in terms of the film industry or the computer gaming industry as well. It's just really exciting that something we're doing in New Zealand is ahead of what people are doing all around the world. Motion capture in an alpine environment is probably one of the harshest environments on the earth. It's cold, it's windy. At one stage the athlete crashed through a gate and broke the data logging equipment. The cable's snapping because of the cold weather. We can't get things wet, we've got to keep them dry, so we had to make special protective casings. 3 years ago I never would have thought about applying to the Young Scientist of the Year award, but I've just made the most of the opportunities as they've come along. Yeah, this project couldn't have been possible without the help of so many different people and organisations. I'd just like to thank them all. It's quite amazing when you turn up to one of these conferences and present a little bit of your research, and the reaction you get from people. They're just really impressed with what we're doing here.